In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your password in Roblox on a PC. So let's get started.
First, open the Roblox app on your computer. Once it's open, go to the More section, which you'll find on the side menu. Scroll down a little and you'll see Settings. Click on that.
Now in the Settings menu, go to Account Info. Here, you'll find an option called Password. Click on it. Now enter your current password, then your new password, and confirm it by typing it again. Once everything is filled, click Update. After that, Roblox will ask for two-step verification. You'll get a 6-digit code sent to your email. Enter the code and click Verify. And that's it. Your password is now successfully changed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Roblox tips.